else it is logged in. Yeah. Okay, sorry for the late. Usually I'll start at 6:65, 6:5, less than 6:5 only. I'll start my session. Yeah, let me continue. This class is Web UI Technologies. Here UI, here it is user interface. Here UI. This class is here Web UI Programming. Here UI, here it is user interface. We can create user interactive page by using this UI technologies. Here we can create user interactive page. What is this user interface? What is this user interactive page? See here, user interface here. In this time, when you enter any URL in the browser, suppose if you enter facebook.com. Here, whenever we enter facebook.com, you can see that Facebook homepage of the application. Here, you can see that Facebook homepage of our application. In this time, we can ask the user to enter their email ID and password. Once we click on the submit button, data will be submitted to server. Here, data is submitting to server. Server will connect it to database. This type of interactions you can observe here in every server programming. Front end always interact with the server page always interact with the database. So this type of interactions we can see in every web page. Here in Gmail, suppose if I enter my email ID and I entered my password. So after entering that email ID and password, once we click on this login button, here login button, once we click on this login button, that user interface, this is one UI. This UI page will always interact with the server page. This server page always interact with the database. Here database. These database pages are here MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. Like this, any one database page we can use it. Here, these database pages are MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. Any one database page we can store our details. So what is storing and what is accessing here? If you are creating your account with this UI page, that is here creating our details in the database. So we are inserting whenever we create our account here, create account page of the Facebook, that time you will fill your complete application form here, email ID, first name, last name, all informations you will fill here. After filling it, this will interact with the PHP page. This PHP page will interact with here PHP page or a .NET page or a Java page, any one server page. This server page will interact with the database.